Haunted Objects of Jamaica, Top 10 Eeriest Artifacts and Legends. 2. The White Witch's Tomb on Rose Hall Plantation Grounds. On the grounds of Rose Hall, a short walk from the mansion, lies an old stone tomb believed to be Annie Palmer's final resting place. According to legend, after Annie was killed allegedly by a slave named Taku in revenge for her cruelties, she was buried in this tomb. Locals attempted to trap her restless spirit with a voodoo ritual. Lore says the ritual to seal the tomb was never completed, allowing Annie's vengeful ghost to escape and roam freely. To this day, people whisper that her spirit cannot be contained. Visitors sometimes feel cold spots or hear horse hoofbeats near the gravesite. Annie is said to ride a spectral horse around the plantation at night. In 1978, a paranormal guppy hunting event at Rose Hall claimed to encounter her spirit at the tomb. That is where an old voodoo doll and incense burner were reportedly found embedded in a termite nest. The tomb still stands behind Rose Hall Great House. Tour guides often end the night tour here, and many guests describe a heavy, watchful atmosphere around the gravesite of Jamaica's most notorious witch.